Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, and we're at a very busy time of year with Christmas and New Year, so you might hear people saying this, and I wanted to make sure that you knew how to pronounce it and what it means. So this is ngā mihi, and you're probably familiar with that. It's usually used to mean greetings. Ngā mihi o te, and that's of the kirihimete, and that's about the Christmas season. Me and te tauhou, and the new year. This is the new year. So that's the equivalent of Happy Christmas and have a good new year. Greetings for Christmas and the new year. Ngā mihi o te kirihimete me te tauhou. So to you, kia koe, ngā mihi o te kirihimete me te tauhou. Ka kite.